Imagine this. You're lost. A blizzard is howling. The snow is knee-deep, and the only light comes from the ghostly dance of the northern lights above. You stumble through a forest, freezing, when you see something that makes you stop in your tracks. The trees around you. They're not dripping sap. They're dripping thick, melted chocolate. Candy cane vines spiral up the trunks. You lean in closer, your breath fogging in the frosty air. A curious fox, its fur dusted with snow, cautiously licks the sweet, flowing chocolate, its eyes lighting up with warmth. Under the soft glow of a small campfire you've managed to start, you break off a piece of the chocolate bar. The taste is pure magic. It's a moment of impossible sweetness in the heart of the storm. If you love stories that blend wonder with a touch of the wild, follow for more magical tales. Thanks for watching.